The following installation instructions may vary, depending on the equipment configuration. Therefore, use them as a guideline only. Box contents. Installation instructions. P80 lubricant. QA certification. LabTecta. OP Labyrinth bearing protector. Pre-installation checks. Check the shaft outside diameter is within tolerance. Plus or minus 0.05 millimeters, 0.002 inches. Housing bore is nominal size, plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, 0.001 inches. There are no sharp edges over which the seal O-ring must pass. Break all sharp edges. Pay special attention to keyways, shaft steps, and housing bore edges. Always position outlet ports X and Y at the 6 o'clock position as shown. Press the LabTecta seal into the bearing housing plate. This plate is typically separate to the bearing housing. Note: use a hydraulic press if available. The force from the press should be concentric to the plate bore. Avoid using grease on the housing. Lightly grease the shaft and shaft O-ring with the lubricant provided. P80 lubricant only. Slide the seal and housing plate assembly into the running position on the shaft. Secure the housing plate onto the bearing chamber. Ensure the rotary is fully pushed up against the stationary prior to startup. Spin the shaft by hand. Listen and feel for any shaft binding. Remember, installation instructions may vary depending on the equipment configuration. Therefore, this video is a guideline only.